All right, so by now you're probably familiar with ChatGPT and how amazing it is and how good it is for creating different types of content and information. But what if I told you it is absolutely not the best tool for SEO? So I'm going to show you why it's not the best tool for SEO, and I'm going to give you a tool that kicks ChatGPT's butt when it comes to SEO and optimizing your website so that you can get more traffic, more sales, more clients at the end of the day, which is what we want, right? So ChatGPT, very simple to use, but it's more of a one-size-fits-all solution. So you can use ChatGPT to generate content, and I'm talking specifically about SEO blog writing, because that is one of the best and fastest ways to rank your website higher and get more traffic, because you're putting out high quality content that people are finding, and that's also helping index and rank your site better for whatever particular niche you're trying to target. So if you ask ChatGPT to write an article, the key to this and the key to ChatGPT is you have to have a really good prompt. Otherwise, you're going to get a garbage output. So a lot of people don't know how to write the best prompt to get the best output. But even once you get the output, you're going to see that it's not SEO friendly. It's not optimized for SEO at all. So let's just ask it to write me a blog article for fat loss for women over 40. So maybe we're in the fitness niche and we're targeting women over 40 and help them with fat loss. And we'll just include that's SEO optimized. So we'll tell it to create a blog article for women over 40 that's SEO optimized, and we'll see what it comes up with. And I will show you exactly why this is not the best way to do this. So here we go. It includes the title, how to boost your results and sustainability. So there is some bullet points here, and then it's breaking it down. 1, 2. Now, obviously with ChatGPT, it basically will give you whatever you want. You can ask it to shorten the article, make it longer. But you will notice there are some things missing here. For one, it is formatted visually, but on the back end, these titles aren't structured. So these aren't structured H1, H2, H3 titles. We have no way of knowing that. So we'd have to restructure this whole article once we copied it over to our website or wherever we are publishing it. You'll see there's no linkings here. I could have asked it to link to specific things probably, but I'd have to ask it. It comes in the prompt, all the things that you'd have to put in the prompt. There's no imagery here, and of course with no imagery, there's no alt text. So there's significant things missing. There's no external links. There's no meta description. There's many of the SEO components are missing here. So I would have to copy this article over to my website and then completely reformat it and restructure it for SEO. Most people don't know how or don't want to have to do that. That's a lot of extra work. Well, Arvo does that all for you. So you can go in here, have it generate an article. So here's one for the same thing, fat loss for women over 40. We're going to click into it, and that's all I did was tell it to write an article for that. And here is what it came up with. So this is the article, very similar, but the fact is it's already optimized for SEO. It has H3, H2 headings, has the keywords in here, has internal or external links, whatever I wanted to put in here. So it's already linking to other pages on my site, because the key with SEO is you want to have everything linked together. So these are your blog posts, and then maybe you have your service pages or booking pages here. You want everything linked together. And you even want to link your blog articles together if possible, because that's going to help your overall ranking. It's going to help the traffic. It's going to help the authority with your website. So that is what matters when it comes to SEO and what search engines are looking for. This, you can even have it include a relevant blog article. So it's increasing the engagement and lowering the bounce rates, frankly, of your blog article pages, because it's including very relevant YouTube videos. You can include, if you have your own YouTube channel, you can include your own if you'd like, or you can have it do it for you. It'll find the best relevant YouTube video, put it in here. It includes images that already have alt text in it. So you can see everything that matters when it comes to SEO. This is fully optimized and includes tables and includes charts. It's very lengthy, very in-depth, very engaging article, and it's using that keyword structure in many different ways to give the algorithm a lot of information and a lot of data. So And then when you're ready to publish this article, all you have to do is link your website. You can do an integration, and you can link your website to this and have it automatically post for you. So if you go here, you can create an integration. You can link it to Blogger, Shopify, Wix, or do a webhook or API or Zapier integration. So regardless of what you need, it'll do it for you. You can also set up social media automation. So you can have it set up where it'll automatically publish to your website, automatically publish to social media, where if you're using ChatGPT, again, you have to come over here, copy it. Then you have to paste it to social media, paste it to your website, edit it, format it, add pictures, alt text. It's going to take you another hour to format this correctly, or you could just generate it in Arvo and you're good to go. It's a done deal. So that is the easy way to be able to do this. And these are many of the articles that we've done, and you can see that are really good. So this is one on teeth whitening. You can download the articles if you want. So there's a lot of different things that you can do where this is fully optimized and fully intended for SEO. The other thing is you can create an auto blog. So we could have this set on autopilot if we want, which is really nice. So we basically can create our own feed based on a website or based on keywords, and then it'll generate and publish articles for us. Hands off. You can just set the frequency. I want 3 blog articles because that's another part of this. There's 3 buckets to this. Frequency, consistency, and quality are really key to getting you ranked higher and getting you more traffic. And this enables you to do all 3 very easily with just a couple of minutes and a couple of steps. Or if you want to generate the inputs yourself, like I showed you, with just based on a keyword, you can have it generate and publish off those inputs, or you can have it generate from the feed and then you publish it. It'll just basically sit in draft mode. So there's a lot of flexibility built in how you want to do this. The other really cool thing that you can do, and why this is Arvo is an SEO powerhouse, is you can go and have it analyze your entire website, and it'll help you fix your website. So you can go to your site. This is one basically just for Arvo that we did. And it'll analyze your page titles, your meta descriptions, your chronological URLs, image alt text, internal links, to make sure FAQ schema. Everything it makes sure, and it goes and analyzes, and it has what's your current title, what's your suggested title, to make sure that your site is fully SEO optimized. So you can go back in if you're missing alt text, if you're missing meta descriptions, if your titles of your pages aren't good, because most people's pages of their website aren't SEO optimized. They're not including the right keywords, especially if you do local businesses. It doesn't have local keywords in there. They're not using the best keywords that people are searching for. Therefore, you're missing a lot of opportunities when it comes to being able to grow your business. So you can easily allow Arvo, it's multifaceted, to create your content powerhouse, help you improve your entire website SEO. And then it's also an automation machine, which you can have it automate on the fly or on autopilot your blog content. And then set it up where it's automatically publishing to your website, automatically publishing to your social media. So this takes a lot of the work out of it, whereas ChatGPT is all well and good, but from an SEO standpoint, it's a lot more work. And you don't want to have, most people don't have the time to do that. And some of the clients that are, the majority of clients that are using this strategy, here's an example of some of them. This client, they weren't using Arvo, then they started and their traffic exploded. This client, same thing, nothing to a lot of traffic very quickly. This client, same thing, no traffic to using Arvo, and then like kabam, their traffic is going through the roof. So there is a link below if you want to try Arvo out to implement this strategy, but that is why this is much better for SEO than ChatGPT. As great as it is, you need a more specific tool that's tailored to a specific thing. Whereas again, ChatGPT is for everything, and it does everything decent. This tool does SEO amazing. So this is another tool for your toolkit if you want to start to beat out your competition, release quality content that's actually going to get you traffic, sales, leads, all the things that you want at the end of the day.